If you've been struggling with thinning edges, breakage, or hair that just refuses to grow, you've probably heard about castor oil and the famous Batana oil. But which one actually works better? Which one grows hair faster? Which one strengthens your strands, stops shedding, and helps you finally see real length? Today we're comparing these two powerful natural oils so you can choose the one that fits your hair, your lifestyle, and your hair growth goals. Stay with me because the winner depends on your specific hair needs. Why hair stopped growing. Before we compare, let's talk about the real problem. Most people aren't struggling with growth. They're struggling with retention, weak roots, and inflammation that blocks healthy growth. Dryness, breakage, scalp buildup, and damage create the illusion of no growth. That's why choosing the right oil can completely change your hair journey. The right oil targets your type of hair problem. Castor Oil Benefits. Castor oil has been used for generations. It's thick, restorative, and powerful. When it comes to the benefits of castor oil, it strengthens weak hair and reduces breakage, coats hair strands to prevent snapping, helps fill thinning areas and edges, naturally antimicrobial, supporting scalp health, best for thin edges, breakage, dry, coarse, or brittle hair, hair that needs strengthening. How to use it. Apply a small amount to your scalp 3 to 4 times a week. Massage for 2 minutes. Batana Oil Benefits. Batana oil, used by the mosquito people of Honduras, is often called the miracle oil. The benefits of Batana oil helps. Stimulates follicle activity for new growth. Adds shine, softness, and smoothness instantly. Helps recover damaged hair and restore elasticity. Nourishes scalp and improves density over time. Best for thinning or balding areas, heat damaged or chemically damaged hair, dull, lifeless strands, hair needing deep restoration. How to use. Warm it slightly, apply to scalp and hair, leave on 1 hour or overnight. Which oil is better? Here's the truth. Castor oil equals strength. Batana oil equals growth plus repair. Use castor oil if your hair is breaking, your ends are brittle, your hair needs strength and thickness. Use Batana oil if you want new growth, your hair is thinning, you need shine, softness, and restoration. The best results? A combination: castor oil on the roots for strength, Batana oil on the hair for repair and growth. If you're consistent, here's what many people experience. Week 1 to 2. You should see less shedding, softer hair, more shine. Week 3 to 6. Thicker roots, stronger ends, reduced breakage. Month 3 plus. Visible fullness, new growth, improved overall density. Hair takes time. Oils don't work unless you work with them, with patience, consistency, and gentle care. Listen, if you're tired of trying products that overpromise and underdeliver, I want you to know. Your hair is capable of healing. Your hair can grow. You just need the right tools and consistency. Whether you choose castor oil, Batana oil, or both, choose what aligns with you. This is your journey, your self-care, your beauty, your healing. If you enjoyed this comparison, comment below, "I'm choosing Batana oil," or "I'm choosing castor oil." Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful hair growth videos. Your hair can transform, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.